The aim of this experiment is to study the comparative cleaning capacity of a sample of soap in soft and hard water. The material required is distilled water, well water, water containing impurities of calcium chloride or magnesium sulfate, which is also known as hard water, calcium hydrogen carbonate, calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, a spatula, physical balance and a weight box, 5 test tubes, 3 beakers, 4 glass rods, a measuring cylinder, a measuring scale, and a dropper. Before performing the experiment, it is important to understand the cleansing action of soap. So every molecule of soap has two parts, as you can see here. It has a head, which is the ionic part, which is soluble in water, and therefore we call it the hydrophilic part. And it has a long hydrocarbon chain, which is the water repellent part, which is soluble in oil or grease and is known as the hydrophobic part. When the soap molecules are added to water containing some kind of dirt or grease, you need to remember that dirt or grease is always oily in nature. So the tails, they attach themselves with the dirt or the grease, and the heads, they arrange themselves like this, forming these round ball-like structures which are known as soap micelles. So the grease or the dirt is trapped inside these soap micelles, and when we rinse the cloth, the oil or the dirt stays in the solution and the cloth comes out clean. So that is how the soaps work. But the action of soap is different in different kinds of water. When we use soft water, the soap is 100% effective, forming a rich lather which helps in cleaning the cloth very effectively. But when we use the soap in hard water, the effect will not be that clear, that prominent, because in case of hard water, the salts of calcium and magnesium that are present in the water react with the soap molecules, forming scum. Let us see this experimentally now. Let us now perform the experiment to see how hard water and soft water form different amounts of lather when soap is added to them. So in this test tube, we have taken soft water, and in the second test tube over here, we have taken hard water, and this is a sample of soap that we have taken. Let us add some soap to soft water, and we are going to add the same amount of soap to hard water. We will give it a shake. Look at the amount of lather that has been formed. You can see the lather formation has occurred in soft water. And when we will shake this test tube, this has hard water along with soap solution. See, the solution is slightly milky and the amount of lather formed is much less as compared to the lather formed with soft water. If you want to see the formation of scum, you can keep this test tube containing hard water solution for some time, and you will find the lather settling down and forming a white layer on the surface, which is called scum. You can also try this experiment using samples of water from different sources to see how soft or how hard that particular sample is.